So I was thinking about food, the food that we eat, and specifically I was thinking about the animals that we eat. Now I have no idea how many animals we eat, even just in England, but it must be in the millions of animals that we consume. Pigs, chickens, turkeys, cows, the list goes on. And these are living creatures that we kill and then butcher and then buy from a shop and put them on a grill or in a frying pan or whatever and cook and then eat them. Now I was thinking, I eat meat, so I'm not preaching or anything, but I'm thinking, is it okay to eat animals? To kill an animal and then chop it up and then cook it and eat it? Is that a legitimate thing to do, a good thing to do? And the reason I'm thinking this is that I'm thinking that we do it as humans because we can. We consider humanity to be somehow different in nature to other animals. So a human being is different and valuable in a way that a chicken isn't, in a way that a pig isn't, or a cow. So it's not the fact of being alive that makes humans special. There must be some other reason that we regard humans as being special, but cows as being food. I haven't really thought in any great depth as to why humans rate such special treatment compared to a cow. I'm not sure if it comes down to the concept of a soul or simply the fact that the humans are the same as us and so they're to be protected. I'm not sure of the basis on which we regard the life of a cow as being less valuable, less important than the life of a person. And I'm thinking that if some aliens or whatever decided that they wanted to eat us as people, and they came to Earth and started farming us, and then slaughtering us, and consuming us as food, we wouldn't like that very much. We wouldn't think it was a good thing. But we do that to animals and think nothing about it. I'm thinking that we don't need to do that to animals. We can be vegetarian if we choose to be. But we've chosen to kill animals and eat them. And as I think I've said, if aliens came down and killed us and ate us, we wouldn't like that very much. So for some reason, humans consider themselves to be special in some way. There's something different about killing a cow compared with killing a person, killing a human. I have to admit that on first analysis, I'm not sure how we justify that difference. I mean, it's ending life at the end of the day. Why is it that humans are regarded as special and cows and pigs and chickens are regarded as food? So I suppose that is another discussion. But I am wondering if farming animals and killing them is a good thing to be doing. I don't know why this thought has occurred to me, but as I say, if aliens decided they wanted to eat us as food, we wouldn't like that very much, and we would regard it as evil. I find it strange to wonder how humanity learned to eat animals anyway. It's such a mystery how things developed, and it's hard to know how it would occur to us to kill an animal and then prepare it and cook it and eat it. How did we even get the idea to do that kind of thing? I'm wondering about the start of life in general and how we learned to eat food and which food we decided to eat and how the food got there in the first place. There's so many issues concerning food. But specifically, killing an animal and then preparing it and eating it does seem very strange. Of course, animals do it to each other, but I do find it difficult to understand how we thought it was a good thing to do. And it is strange to consider if some advanced species considered us as food and wanted to eat us in the same way. I suppose it depends on how you regard life. I mean, is life important in itself? We sell fly killer, for example, and rat poison. We take life at will. We don't really think about it very much. And of course we farm animals and kill them and eat them. And if it was done to us, we wouldn't like it very much. So I'm wondering what life is, and is life valuable in itself? Or is life only valuable when it's human life? It seems pretty selfish to think that way. But it is interesting, and we don't need to eat animals. We choose to eat animals. We choose to kill animals and eat them. It does seem insane thinking about it.